Writing a gitlab-ci.yml file is essential to define your CI/CD pipeline in GitLab. This YAML file tells GitLab how to build, test, and deploy your project. Here's how to write a basic gitlab-ci.yml file. Define stages. Start by defining the stages your pipeline will include. Common stages are build, test, and deploy. Create jobs. Each stage can have one or more jobs. Jobs specify what to do during each stage. For example, specify script. The script keyword lists the commands to execute. Each job runs in a separate environment. Use Docker images. You can specify a Docker image for the job environment using image. This is useful for ensuring a consistent environment. Define artifacts. Use artifacts to save files or directories after a job, which can be used by subsequent jobs. Conditions. Use only, except, rules, or when to control when jobs run. By defining stages, jobs, and conditions, you can control the flow and execution of your CI/CD pipeline in GitLab.